Hello guys and welcome back to our channel, yours only, AutoZone India. Today we are going to do a review of all new Skoda Octavia 2020 model. But before that, those who are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also, I request you to watch this video completely so that you will never ever miss any of the points related to Skoda Octavia. The new Skoda Octavia is planned to launch in India by end of 2020. It will be larger than the existing model and will come with an BS6 compliant petrol engine. The 2020 Octavia comes with a revised interior and exterior design. Skoda also announced that the new gen Octavia RS could be offered along with a standard model from day one. Skoda has taken the wrap of the 2020 Octavia. The 4th generation model is bound towards India and is likely to be displayed at Auto Show Expo 2020. It is planned to launch in India by end of 2020. Octavia is tad larger than her earlier models. It also has a slightly larger boot and 78 mm more knee room at the rear. The Octavia comes with a revamped look, with the major being the single-pieced LED headlamps that replace the quad units found in the current car. It also comes with a new split LED tail lamps. Inside the sedan comes with a brand new dashboard as seen in the latest Skoda car dashboards. The main highlight is the new floating infotainment screen that takes care of both infotainment and climate control duties. The Indian specification model is expected to come with 1.5 liter TSI and 2 liter TDI Evo powertrains, both in its 125 PS guys. Transmission options are likely to be 6-speed manual and 6-speed DSG. Automatic. The variant RS variant will be come at the later date. The upcoming model is expected to command a premium over the current model, which is priced from Rs 16 lakhs to 26 lakhs ex-showroom pan-India. The 2020 Octavia will be a direct rival of Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla Altis and Hyundai Elantra. The price will be estimated costing around 20 lakhs. As of now, there is no official update from the company related to the car's mileage, but you can consider it around 12 to 14 kilometers per liter. Considering some of the key features of the vehicle, it will come with an sunroof, adjustable driver's seat, adjustable front passenger seat, heated seat and cooled seats will be available. Talking about the vehicle will come with an rear parking camera, ABS and EBD, 6 airbags, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors. The vehicle will come with an auto headlamp, auto wipers. Talking about the grille will come with an black piano finish. The tire size will be of an 16 inches as of now. Talking about the boot capacity of the vehicle, it comes with a tremendous capacity of 600 liters. You can also expect a good ambient lighting in this vehicle. As per the sources, the vehicle will come with an 1.5 and 2.0 TSI petrol engines, which comes with 150 horsepower and 190 horsepower. So far the information related to Skoda Octavia 2020. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Also let me know whether you had liked this video. If you had liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our own YouTube channel, yours only, AutoZone India. Also mention in the comment what are your likes and dislikes about this video. Also share this video with your friends and family members. Also thanks for your time for watching this video, yours only, AutoZone India. Thank you.